Welcome to another edition of Juicing with Jay. Today I got a special guest with me.
Hi.
And today we will be juicing what?
We'll be juicing oranges, lemons, and ginger.
All right, guys. So my assistant today will be loading the hopper, and that'll just show you how easy and simple this is. So today we're going to be using the Nama 2 juicer. Today and all the rest of the days on this page, we'll be using the Nama 2 juicer. So my assistant will load up the hopper. All right, guys, there you have it. Fresh lemon, orange, and ginger juice. You know the motto on the page.
Each one, teach one.
Juicing with Jay. And we'll see you on the next video. Peace.